Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. First of all, we are from Group Project Based Learning TRPL 116. Please allow us to deliver our presentation on our project title, Aplikasi Pengelolaan Bootcamp Training Berbasis Website. Before we begin, let me introduce my team members. First, our project manager, Mr. Insinyur Faruqi Dinda Rasrandi. Next, our team leader, Muhammad Nasyid Aditya Putra. Then we have team member, Afisi Distira, Feron Manasya Situmorang, M. Farel Adelio Asman, Muhammad Giats, and Rafael Setia Ramadan. Next, for the member role and contribution, Muhammad Nasyid Aditya Putra as business analyst and backend developer. The contribution is identify functional and non-functional requirement, user characteristic, design ER diagram, design table, design structure table, design use case diagram, and backend code implementation. Hafiz Yudhistira as front-end developer. The contribution is design and implementation of the user interface. Ferran Manasya Situmorang as back-end developer. The contribution is design structure table and back-end code implementation. And Farel Adelio Asman as front-end developer. The contribution is design and implementation of the user interface. Muhammad Getz as back-end developer. The contribution is design flowchart, design use case diagram, design class diagram, and back-end code implementation. And Rafael Setia Ramadan as front-end developer. The contribution is design and implementation of the user interface. Next, for the general description of the application. Bootcamp application or web-based training management is a digital platform designed to efficiently manage bootcamps and training programs that are held efficiently, covering the entire process from planning, creation, and scheduling by organizers to participant registrations, access materials, and certificate issuance. The software aims to connect all aspects of program management. Its accessibility via any browser with an internet connections ensures convenience for both organizers and participants, enhancing the overall experience and effectiveness. Next will be explained by Farel.
Functional requirements. Functional 1. Student can register to create account. Functional 2. User can log in to the system. Functional 3. User can view and edit their profile. Functional 4. Student can enroll to bootcamp or training programs. Functional 5. Admin can add mentor data. Functional 6. Admin can manage user data in the system. Functional 7. Mentor can add course and set training schedule. Functional 8. Mentor can add material data. Functional 9. Mentor can add quiz data. Functional 10. Student can access the course. Functional 11. Student can take quiz. Functional 12. Student can receive a completion certificate.
I will explain non-functional requirements. We have criteria and parameters. Usability: the system can be used comfortable with a simple interface and easy operation. Accessibility: the system can work on various types of device, both desktop and mobile. Compatibility: the system can be accessed in various web browsers. Security: the system must ensure security top encryption word when data in transmission and storage. Sensitive information like password. Then Diaz will explain.
Alright, next I will explain about the use case diagram. This use case diagram illustrates the interaction among three main roles in the educational system. The admin can logging in, adding mentors, managing users, and editing profiles. The mentor can logging in, adding courses, uploading materials, creating quizzes, and editing profiles. The student can edit their profile, register for an account, enroll in course, access materials, attend quizzes, and retrieve certificates upon completion. This diagram provides a clear overview of how each role contributes to the learning process and system management. Next, the ER diagram will be continued by Veron.
Relationship diagram ERD. User has one-to-one to mentor and user has one-to-one to student. Mentor add one-to-many to course. Course content one-to-many to course section and has one-to-many to enroll. Course section content one-to-many to information, materi video, materi text, and quiz. Quiz has one-to-many to soal quiz. Soal quiz has one-to-many to quiz option. Quiz option has one-to-many to jawaban student. Enroll answer question one-to-many to jawaban student. Pengumpulan quiz mainly to submission. Next, to roll student. Student join course many to enroll.
Thank you, Veron. Next, structure table. In structure table, we have table user and primary key is ID user. And then user have two relation. First mentor, in mentor primary key is ID mentor and foreign key is ID user. And then table codes have primary key is ID codes and if foreign key is ID mentor. And then course relation to course section. In course section have primary key is ID course section and foreign key is ID course. Next, course section have relation to information, material video, material text, and quiz. First, table information have primary key ID information and foreign key ID course section. And then material video have primary key is ID material video and foreign key ID course section. Next, material text have primary key is ID material text and foreign key is ID course section. And then quiz have primary key is ID quiz and foreign key ID course section. Next, quiz have relation to soal quiz and quiz option. In soal quiz have primary key is ID soal quiz and foreign key ID quiz. And then quiz option have primary key ID quiz option and foreign key ID soal quiz. Next, student have primary key is ID student and foreign key is ID user. And then enroll have primary key is ID enroll and foreign key is ID student. Enroll have two relation is it pengumpulan quiz and jawaban student. First, pengumpulan quiz have primary key is ID pengumpulan quiz and foreign key is ID enroll and ID quiz. Next, jawaban student have primary key is ID jawaban student and foreign key is ID enroll and ID quiz option. That's all from me. I'll return it to Nasir.
Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.